Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your medicine cabinet into a sanctuary of natural remedies that are gentle on your liver? Let's dive into some fantastic natural alternatives that not only boost your health, but also protect one of your most vital organs. First up, let's talk about pain relief. Instead of reaching for that bottle of ibuprofen, why not try turmeric? This vibrant spice isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties. Just a teaspoon in your tea or smoothie can help reduce inflammation and pain, just as effectively as some over-the-counter meds, but without the harsh effects on your liver. Now, for those of you struggling with occasional sleeplessness, skip the sleeping pills. Have you tried valerian root? This herb is a natural sedative, helping to calm your nerves and ensure a peaceful night's sleep. Brew it as a tea or take it as a supplement and watch those restless nights drift away. Next, let's address allergies. Instead of antihistamines, why not give quercetin a go? Found in foods like onions and apples, quercetin is a natural antihistamine that can help reduce allergy symptoms. It's available in supplement form too, providing a natural way to keep those sneezes at bay. For those battling with digestive issues, before you pop an antacid, consider ginger. Ginger can soothe your stomach and aid digestion just as well as any antacid, but it's much kinder to your liver. You can consume it in a variety of forms, be it fresh, powdered, or as a delicious warming tea. And lastly, let's not forget about our skin. Instead of chemical-laden creams, reach for aloe vera. This plant is not only perfect for treating burns and cuts, but it's also great for hydrating your skin naturally. Apply it directly from the plant, or use a pure aloe vera gel. By choosing these natural alternatives, you're not just easing your symptoms, you're nurturing your body and respecting your liver. Remember, every small change contributes to a healthier you. So, are you ready to give your medicine cabinet a natural makeover? Trust me, your liver will thank you for it. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving naturally.